chérie, we're taking a little bath. On prend le petit bain. Oui, oui, oui. Coucou, petit bébé. So we have several layers to make sure she's all fine. Am I trying to make a tutorial here? Yeah, just in case. So first, the water isn't in the bassinet yet, but we're gonna put the water first so that she's not cold, because if we wait and then she's naked, she's gonna be waiting for the water to be that's just not working. She's gonna maybe feel cold and uncomfortable. So water first. Okay. As you can see, the bath is right next to me, so I don't have to move around with her, and it's safer this way. So while this is, I'm just undoing a few buttons, not all of them, and she has 2 layers actually, so like one of these and then one the underneath, so it's not too bad. Hey, we're getting ready. In the meantime, I check the water, which is fine now, so I'm going to turn the water off, make sure the temperatures are right, and I'm going to double check the temperature afterwards before I put her in. Up, a little more cold. Voila! We take the little bit out. As you may notice, I got myself ready first, but you may want to avoid that, because if you do this afterwards, when she's coming out of the bath, you may get a little bit dirty. But never mind. Oh oui. Hop. Oh, ça fait du bien. Ça fait du bien. So you want to check the temperature of the water to make sure it's not too hot with your elbow instead of your hand. Hop. Oui, c'est bon. Very honest, I don't do normally that, because I know like the water is fine, because I'm used to that. Anyways, step number 2, we take the hands off. You may want to put a nice music in the background just to make sure she's happy and all fine. I know, yeah. They don't really like to be waiting for ages for stuff, so like you gotta be quick. Alright, we're gonna take the nappy off after this. Yeah. So ideally you want to take the top off at the very end. So the nappy first and then the top, so that she can remain warm as long as possible. She or he, if you have a boy, right? Nappy! So as I know, she never poops in the morning. She only poops in the evening, usually at the end of the afternoon. So I know it's only a wee nappy, meaning I don't really have to clean anything before she goes into the bath. Saving my life on this. Okay, because you are very thoughtful, you actually put a bin there first to put the nappy inside the bin, and if you are super green, you actually have washable nappies, which I tried, to be honest, alright, because I'm a good mom, or I try to be, and but it's way too much work. I'm not gonna be bothered with being green for this. I'm very, very sorry, just because it's just too much work. So I'm into like nappies that you put in the bin. I'm very sorry, but that's how it is. Okay, we're ready. She's all naked. Clothes are gonna stay here. All this is staying here for afterwards, and I have already the towel ready over there. Alright, you ready, baby? Let's go in the bath. Oh wait, let's put the little. Make sure you have some toys to entertain her. I have some little ducks. Actually, they're not ducks. They're the other versions of ducks with a long neck. I don't know the name in English right now. Sorry, like the pink ones. Anyway, you throw that in the bath for a little extra fun. Woo! Okay, let's do it, baby. Let's do it. Hopefully, we can move the camera so they can see the fun that we're having. Without. Voila! Okay, are you ready? Double checking the temperature, of course. Yeah, all good. Okay. Let's go, my baby. Let's go. Make sure you actually tell your baby before you put them in the mouth, okay, so that they know what's going on. Yay! Oui, ma chérie. Ma petite chérie de bébé. Oh, c'est le bain. The little bath. Yeah. Oh, that feels so good, eh? Oh. You need to actually hold their head, because at this age, she's almost 2, they can't hold their head by themselves, or like not fully yet. So although she's doing really good at this, but still you want to hold their head, and then gently put some water all over them, yeah? Okay, you wanna have fun with them? That's very important. Okay, and next you wanna use a bit of soapy soap, depends on. So I have something that you just push so that you don't actually have to open the lid, because you only have one hand available, right? And you can put the soap on that tiny little cute face. Not the face, actually, the body. You can do the hair if you want. Right now, are we gonna do the hair? So it depends on which type of baby you have. My baby is a mixed background. She has a bit of a smell. I'm not saying that everybody coming from a mixed background smell more or like stronger, but it tends to be something more of a well, it tends to happen more often than less, okay? Alright, so that's why we usually put the soap and the shampoo every day, yeah? At every little bath time, just because I want her to smell good, alright? And I talk to her in French, okay? Because I want her to speak French and I'm French. Okay, baby. Comment ça se passe, le petit bain? Comment ça se passe? Comment ça se passe, ma chérie? So we're gonna do the hair now. So the hair be very gentle so that they don't get water in their face. You put a little bit of water on the hair like that. Okay, from behind. Yeah. Yeah, you still make sure you hold her, the head and all this area so that she is secure, and adding a little bit of soap. The soap is both for hair and body. Way easier, right? Wow! And you gently massage. This area is actually very fragile, so just and keep talking to them to keep this entertainment, and eventually they can understand the different parts of the body. The head here, the little ear there, the little head, the little arm. Oui, le petit bras. Non, on boit pas l'eau du pain. No, we don't drink the water from the bath. No. No. Okay, and then if you're fully confident, you can do other things. You can hold the head and the bum area to allow them to do like little bike movements in the bath. Let's do this. Oh. Well, my bath isn't big enough, Shane, but come on, little baby. And this allows you to also clean the bum area, which is not easy when they sit in the bassinet. Oui, make sure their ears don't fall in the water. Voila! Et voila! And you can clean the back of the head like that. Oh, my chérie. Oh, we go back. Et voilà. Moi, chérie, tout bébé. Un petit cœur d'amour. Oui. Un petit cœur d'amour. Un petit bébé chéri. Make sure you clean also the layers, the double chin, you know, like all the layers in this area, the throat area. Oh, because they're not fat, they just have layers there. Oui. C'est des petits flamants roses. Flamingos, I know the word now here. This is a flamingo, it's not a duck. Okay, are you ready? Once you feel like they had enough fun and it's been, you know, starting to become annoying, you are ready to take them off the bath. Yeah! So for this, same, you count 3, 2, 1 or 1, 2, 3 as you want. I'm going to do that so that they know and you let them know exactly like what is going to happen. We're going to go out of the bath in a minute, okay? On sort du bain dans un instant. And then you leave them and you make sure you have a towel around. Actually, you may have the towel either on you or by the bath in this area. If you're very confident, you can put her there, like sitting and holding her, of course. Oh, let's go, because now she's getting cold. Oh, and then you grab her well and you put her in the towel. Obviously, because I'm making this video, it's not very easy. On y va, 1, 2, 3. Voilà. And you make sure you hold it perfectly fine. Voilà ma chérie. Voilà mon petit bébé. Voilà ma chérie doux. Ouh, mon petit cœur. On est celui-là pour l'instant. Je prends la serviette bien. On te met dedans et on y va. On y va. Oh oui. On y va ma petite chérie. On y va mon petit cœur. So I have two. I actually have a little gown for her as well. just because one usually is not enough. So maybe you want to make sure you have two as well. Let's go get her fully dry and then get her a little massage.